Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate NACS charging cards with Shell Recharge detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating your NACS charging card with Shell Recharge, ensure that your NACS charging card is ready for use. Next, locate the nearest Shell Recharge station. Approach the charging station and check if it has the NACS connector available. Once you are at the charging station, take out your NACS charging card. Bring the card close to the designated card reader on the charging station. Wait for the charging station to recognize your NACS charging card. If prompted, enter any necessary identification or account details using the station's interface. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the authentication process. Once authenticated, you will receive a message indicating successful verification. Now, select your desired charging session on the charging station's display. Connect the NACS connector to your electric vehicle's charging port. Ensure that the connection is secure to initiate the charging process. The charging station should begin to supply power to your vehicle. Monitor the charging status on both the station's screen and your vehicle's dashboard. When your vehicle is sufficiently charged, disconnect the NACS connector from your vehicle. Return to the charging station and check the interface for any final prompts. Complete any necessary steps to finalize your session. After everything is done, you can depart the charging station. Your NACS charging card should now be successfully authenticated with Shell Recharge for future use. Remember to keep your card safe for your next charging session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small type. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.